What is that loud sound?
Everyone, stay calm. 10 minutes earlier.
Good morning, class! Today is science class. Science is my favorite!
Please open your books.
Okay, teacher. Can I borrow a pencil? Sure, here you go.
Today we will learn about plants.
Yay!
Plants are very important.
This lesson is interesting. I like science too.
Beep! That's the fire alarm. Please stand in a line.
I'm ready.
Walk outside calmly.
Where is Lily's class?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everyone is here?
I don't see Lily. My sister is in another class.
Don't worry, Emma. Emma can't find her sister.
Let's help her. Which class is Lily in?
Room 104.
Calling room 104. Stay with me, Emma.
Stay with me, Emma. Everyone is safe.
Where is Emma?
Mrs. Wilson, do you have Lily? Lily is with me.
Thank you. Lily is safe. Lily is safe.
Thank goodness.
Come with me, Emma.
Okay. Emma! Lemma! Lily! I'm so happy you're safe. Me too.
Everyone did a great job.
Safety comes first.
This was only a fire drill.
I understand now.
Let's go back inside.
Okay. See you later, Emma. Bye, Lily.
Excellent job, everyone.
Thank you.
Fire drills keep us safe.
We understand.
Fire drills keep us safe.
I wasn't scared anymore. Me neither.
I'm proud of everyone.
Thank you. Now I feel much better.
Me too. Excellent job today.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you! I was never scared. I'm glad you're okay.
How was your day?
It was exciting! We stayed safe.
I'm proud of both of you.
It was exciting! Safety is important. See you next time!